Despite global challenges, today's manufacturing industry is more competitive than ever before. To be successful, organizations need to be more efficient and more adaptable at every stage of their operation. At CEC, our multidisciplinary team of professionals has the expertise and hands-on experience to give our clients the edge they need. We've built an extensive portfolio of successful projects helping manufacturers of all kinds reduce operating costs, increase efficiency, and drive sustainable performance. We are able to offer expertise that spans the complete operation lifecycle, from site acquisition to site redevelopment, and every step in between. And because many of our consultants have experience working inside manufacturing facilities, we begin many of our partnerships already up to speed with the challenges you're facing. Additionally, we can leverage strong regulatory relationships to facilitate your permitting and compliance efforts. Our clients also rely on us to be their conduit to the latest industry trends and insights, delivering timely advice and regulatory updates to anticipate disruptions and address challenges before they become problems. To learn more about our expertise in the manufacturing industry or how we partner with clients, we welcome you to visit our website or give us a call. We're looking forward to it.